Good afternoon, lords and ladies of Book Week. Welcome to today's assembly.
Let's move to the national anthem. Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our locally Indigenous tribe, Gurna-Kurnai, as the traditional landowners. At this school we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people that had their own cultural space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurna-Kurnai tribe for the land that we are meeting on today.
Now we are going to show you some photos of Footy Day. Congratulations to all the Richmond fans, and I'm so sorry to all the Geelong fans. Speaking of myself, I do go for Geelong.
And thank you to all of those people who contributed money to the Bushfire appeal.
This week was Book Week and we encouraged everybody to come dressed up as a book character.
It was great efforts for everybody with costumes. Now we'll be showing the pictures from the outfits from today.
This week's music award goes to
P6.
Just a reminder that next Monday, many families are going away before Cup Day. So for that reason, we are running an alternate program. For those small number of students that will be coming on Monday, can you please go straight to the blue area in the morning, and then we'll work out which replacement teacher you're going to be working with for the day. Also, remember Tuesday is Melbourne Cup Day, and that is a public holiday. We'll see most of you on Wednesday.